Welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hi, I'm Lexi. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, guys, this video was highly suggested. It is pretty much, I'm going to be showing you how to make nail decals with a Cricut machine. Therefore, if you have, your own press-on nail business, or if you do acrylic nails yourself, this is how you make the decals. Also, if you want to sell these, you can as well. These are awesome, and they're little, and they're easy to do, and they're awesome to sell. So yeah, guys, let's get into this video. The first thing you're going to want to do is get any brand you want to pretty much cut off of Google. I mean, you can do images as well. I do show how to cut a snake, but I mean, you can do literally anything you can find that is tiny that you can cut, that isn't too tedious, I want to say. But yeah, guys, so right here I am just uploading my images like so. So I'm just removing the background from this LV symbol, and then once I do that, I'm going to save it as a cut image. Make sure you do cut image, not print and cut, because a print and cut, it would print literally the color and everything, and it wouldn't, I don't know. I actually showed a video on how to do water slide paper, where you can actually do the color of the image that you get off Google, which is really nice. I will link that in my description box below if you'd like to see that. But yeah, guys, I'm going to get this Chanel logo as well, and I'm just going to crop it to the Chanel part only, like the double C's. I'm not going to be doing the actual word because I feel like it is too tedious. I mean, you can do it if you're doing it long ways on the nail and all that, but for this one, I'm just going to be doing the Chanel symbol. So once I find that, I will be uploading it into the design space and cropping it just like so. I'm just showing another brand symbol that you can get to put on the nails as well. Pretty much you just look up whatever brand you want. I did Nike, and then I also believe I got the snake clip art as well, which I'll be showing here in just a few seconds. But once I save those, I am going to upload them into my design space as well, just like I did the other two. And yeah, guys, the snake was really hard to find at first, so I had to keep scrolling and scrolling. But yeah, I just found the snake right here, and then I uploaded both of these images. I'm going to be making these a lot smaller. I made them about 0.3 as the width, so then they fit on the nail perfectly, and they're not too big and they're not too small. So if you want to use that measurement, it is 0.3 again. And then for the snake, I believe I did 0.4, just so it is a little bit longer and it fits up and down the nail very well. So yeah, once I do that, those are all done and made, and then I'm going to be going onto my computer and showing you how I cut it. Okay, guys, so I'm going to open up the nail thing that I made on my phone. I'm just gonna hit make it since everything is already made, and then I'm going to make about 10 project copies. I could probably only do 5, but I'm just gonna do a good amount in case I ever want to use any more, since I do nails. And yeah, it's going to cut it like so. It's hard to see because it's black, but yeah, I'm to continue. I gotta plug in my Cricut here on the side of my computer, and once I do that, it should pop up here in just a short second. Okay, retry. And then I'm gonna click the air too, of course, whatever, connect my machine. And then I am going to select premium vinyl. I am gonna do pressure more just because they are tinier and my blade is a little dull. So once that's done, I'm gonna load in my material, and don't mind my dirty dust, guys, and my dirty mat. But if y'all know, if y'all have a Cricut, you know how easy these mats get dirty. It is not even funny. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on my stuff, or my, you know, my sheet of vinyl. I'm gonna go over to my Cricut machine, and sorry guys, the lighting's a little bad. I'm gonna insert it, and then I'm going to cut it. And then it's going to cut, so it takes about probably like 5 minutes to cut this. They're pretty easy shapes, but yeah, I don't know, it might take a little bit longer, but after this is done, I will show you what they look like after I pulled the stuff off, and we will do the nail process. So these are the nails. I'm going to be putting the little LV sign on. And y'all, I am in love with these nails. I have them on right now actually, and they're so cute. And like with the vinyl, you can't even tell it's vinyl on there. It looks like paint. But yeah, right here I'm just cutting the like the vinyl, the extra vinyl off, so then I don't have to peel the whole thing back. And right here I'm going to start peeling it back, and yes, I did rip it fast and I lost some Nike signs, but I didn't really care to lose them. I just kind of want to show what they look like after they're cut, because I never really have done Nike nails, you know, so I just kind of made it just for you guys to see. But yeah, once I am done peeling this back, I'm going to be weeding it, and I will show that whole process as well. And I just want to add in there, my fingers are stained from old acrylic that I did. So if you see the little yellow like mark on my nail, I literally did yellow acrylic. And that's why my nail is stained like that. Once I'm done weeding all these, I'm going to cut the little LV parts that I want to use. I cut out 2 of them. So then therefore I only need 2 of them, so I'm just cutting them off. And then I'll be using transfer tape. And the transfer tape I got is from Amazon, you guys. I got a big old roll and it lasts me forever. But yeah, right here I'm just cutting the 2 that I want off. And then I'm going to be taking my transfer tape and I'm going to put it on the one I want for the one nail. And then I'm going to go back with the transfer tape for the second nail when I'm done with this nail. So right here, I'm just taking the white nail that I want to put it on, and I'm going to line it up there wherever I want it, and that's how I apply them. That I have my vinyl applied where I want them, I'm taking a top coat right here and just putting a top coat on the nails just like I would if I painted it on there, and it looks so good, you guys. And I don't know, I'm just in love with how these turned out. It literally is so bold and you don't have to worry about messing anything up. It's already made and cut for you. So this is a great like advantage of having a Cricut machine and having your own nail business, like whether you do acrylics or press-ons. Also, you can sell custom nail decals, which is awesome. Now I'm just going to cure these nails and wait to see what these look like. Yes, girl, look at them nails. Those are so cute. Like, I am in love. I'm going to show you what they look like. Like, you can't even tell there's vinyl on there. Like, it doesn't look raised up or bumpy or anything. And y'all, I am in love and they turned out beautifully. So yeah, guys, I'm going to show you what the nails look like on with the vinyl so you can see for yourself. But yeah, guys, this is how they turned out. And if you like this video, please give me a fat thumbs up. And I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope these, work for you just as well as they work for me. And if you guys would like any other videos, please drop them in the comment section below. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching.